The brave mother rabbit. In a beautiful forest, there lived a small family of rabbits. The family consisted of a mother rabbit and her 3 tiny babies. The mother rabbit always kept a very watchful eye on her little ones. One day, while the mother rabbit had gone a bit further away to forage for food, one small bunny was playing among the grass. Suddenly and unexpectedly, a large python slithered slowly toward where the baby was playing. The baby did not see the snake. Ready to seize its prey, the snake suddenly prepared to coil itself around the little bunny. Terrified, the baby rabbit began to cry out in distress. As soon as the mother rabbit heard the sound, she forgot everything else and came racing back at lightning speed. Seeing the large snake there, she did not feel even a moment of fear. The battle begins. Rabbits are usually known to be timid animals, but for the sake of her child, this mother became fierce. She leaped onto the snake's body and began attacking it with her sharp claws. Even though the snake tried to bite the mother rabbit, she skillfully jumped high, kicking the snake's head and body with her powerful legs. The victory. The snake never expected such an attack from a rabbit. Facing the mother rabbit's relentless strikes, the snake was forced to release its prey. Finally, the injured snake, fearing for its life, slithered away into the thick jungle. The mother rabbit immediately rushed to her baby, sniffing and licking it to comfort it. Although the baby was frightened, it had not suffered any serious harm.